So this is a very quick video to demonstrate how to incorporate external third-party lib files into your LTSpice circuits. There are different ways of doing this, but I found that this is the easiest. It keeps the lib file in the same place as the .asc file. So here I'm going to demonstrate. Here we've got an op-amp, and I've configured it to be, or to access, this external library for the TL072. Various manufacturers supply different libraries for different components. So here I've included the spice directive .lib TL072.lib. This is in the same directive that I've included the transit analysis. Now what's really important is that .lib file, if we look over here, it exists in the same directory that your LTSpice.asc file exists in, so that's the first thing to do. If I want to add and link to another TL072, let's just have a quick look at this one. What I've done is, within Spice model, I've outlined TL072, so it says, okay, go away and look at this lib file, and the value is just what is displayed next to the op-amp itself. So the way to incorporate this, if I add a component, draft component, there are a number of op-amps, but the one that I suggest you use is this op-amp 2, which is a basic operational amplifier for use with subcircuits, i.e. .lib files. So if I open this up and I drop it in, you'll see here that there are the power pins, etc., etc., and it defaults to op-amp 2. So if you right click, you can enter your spice model here, so TL072. Maybe I want to give it a name. Well, it makes sense to call it what it is, but you may be within 072 you've got two op-amps, so you might say part A and part B as an example. So like so, and hey presto, this is now referencing this lib file.